In a sunny meadow, a brightly colored stage is set, promising a magical performance. Luna, the lamb, radiant in her sparkly costume, commands the stage with her presence. Young animal children, eyes sparkling with excitement, gather on blankets, ready to be enchanted. Luna's gentle voice fills the air as she begins to sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. In a sun-drenched meadow, Benny the bunny bursts onto the stage, his energy electrifying the air. Benny seizes the microphone, his small paws gripping it tightly, ready to unleash his performance. Giggles erupt from the children as they mirror Benny's bouncy movements, their laughter echoing in the meadow. A kaleidoscope of animated buses materializes on the screen behind Benny, enhancing the visual spectacle. Benny begins, his voice ringing out. The wheels on the bus. The children's joyous participation amplifies the cheerful atmosphere, uniting them in song and laughter. In a sun-drenched meadow, a vibrant makeshift stage sets the scene for the grand finale. The animals sing out. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. The children respond with enthusiasm. Clap. They continue to sing. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. The children reply. Stomp. Confetti rains down as the animals bow, and the children shout